Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe of this delicious curry, we're going to start off by taking a pan and adding 1 teaspoon of oil. To this oil, here I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. After adding these ingredients, I'm going to now fry this for a period of 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, to this pan, here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut powder, 3 dry red chilies, and a pinch of Hing or asafoetida powder. After adding these ingredients, I'm now going to continue to cook this for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can now switch off the flame and keep these ingredients aside to cool down. Once the ingredients have cooled down, I'm going to take a grinder jar and add the cool spices to it. Along with this, here I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of jaggery, a small ball of tamarind, and 1/4 cup of water. After adding these ingredients, I'm going to now grind this into a fine paste. After grinding all these ingredients into a fine paste, I'm going to keep this aside and take a pan and add 300 grams of chopped and peeled cucumber. And to this, I'm going to add 1 cup of water and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. After adding this, I'm going to stir this well, and after that, I'm going to cover this with a lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to remove the lid, and once the cucumber is cooked, to this pan, here I'm going to add the ground paste from earlier. And along with this, here I'm also going to add the salt as per taste. After adding this, I'm going to stir all of this really well and then let this simmer for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, here I'm going to add some tempered curry leaves and mustard seeds. And after adding this, I'm going to give this a good mix, and finally your dish is ready to be served. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.